Hey, I'm Brandon with RevZilla, and today on Ride Tested, we are checking out the REV'IT Airwave 3 jacket. So let's grab that KE100 and get to it.
Well, we're here today to talk about the Airwave 3 jacket. Of course, that is what I am wearing now. Great summer option. I know we're into fall now, I get it, but there's still a lot of us who are going to be, riding in some pretty hot conditions for a good bit, especially if you're one of those people out in California who are lucky enough to ride year-round. There's still plenty of hot days left. And then I've got some buddies in Florida too who I'm so jealous they get to ride pretty much year-round, pretty easily. Yeah, jealous of that. I think I'm going to be getting a lot of snow this winter here in Philadelphia, so I won't be wearing the Airwave for too much longer, that's for sure. Definitely a summer lightweight option, but I will say it feels way more substantial than a lot of mesh jackets that I've used and tested, because they give you a good bit more protection than what you typically get out of a mesh jacket. And you've got ripstop material, which is always nice. That's something I talked about on the Tornado 3 as well. It's one of those finer details, but if you tear the jacket, it's going to stop on that grid pattern. It's not just going to keep on tearing and keep on going and falling apart, basically. So that's really nice that they give you that. They upgraded the abrasion-resistant materials utilized on the jacket from the previous gen, and I really like the Airwave too. I think they did a great job. It's very similar, but updated the style. I think this one's incredibly comfortable, and it does flow a lot of air, but it is, again, more substantial, and I think it's providing you a lot more protection for the amount of airflow you're getting when compared to a lot of other options. Now, there may be some other options out there that this is the absolute best, it's going to flow the most air, no doubt about it. Okay, there probably is a jacket out there that'll do that, but at the expense of, it's incredibly lacking when it comes to the amount of protection it's providing. So I think this is a really great combination, and it's super comfortable. Nothing feels restrictive. It's very low profile. Even the armor on the inside, the Seesmart armor or CE Level 1 armor, and it's, again, very, very comfortable, very low profile. Yeah, I think this is a great option. It's a very versatile jacket. It can be worn on, sport bikes, touring bikes, a KE100 like so. Really great option, when I'm riding the Vespa around the city. This would be a great option for the summer for sure. Ooh, a little mischief there. Ooh, easy, girl. Good amount of protection, excellent amount of airflow. And again, I think in the mesh world, I think what they're offering you, when it comes to the fit and finish and all of those little finer details, I mean, REV'IT, they're tough to beat, man. They're tough to beat, especially compared to a lot of the other mesh jackets that I've checked out. Now, I think if you're looking for a little bit more versatility, check out the Tornado 3. That's one I've been riding around in quite a bit recently. I think that one's a little bit better for the fall season. I think it's a spring, summer, and fall because it's got that 2-into-1 Hydrotex liner system, so that's a really great option to check out if you're looking for a little bit more versatility in the fall riding season. But if you're just looking for a lightweight summer jacket, but you're a little concerned that, mesh jackets don't have the appropriate amount of protection, well, look no further. The Airwave 3 is an excellent, excellent option. But guys, if you're looking for more details, please do not hesitate to reach out. Happy to answer any questions for you. And of course, we've got the detailed product breakdown on RevZilla. Just type in the Airwave 3, should pull it right up for you. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you've had some fun riding around on the KE100 with me. And as always, keep it pinned. Zan, dun, dun, dun.